Have you ever paused to ponder the ultimate fate of the celestial body that gives us light, warmth, and life? The sun, our local star, has a lifespan that dwarfs human existence, extending for a staggering 10 billion years. Yet every star, no matter how brilliant, has a beginning and an end. Today, we'll journey through the timeline of the sun's life, from its fiery birth to its eventual transformation. Picture a cosmic clock ticking away for 10 billion years. Our sun's story begins roughly 4.6 billion years ago. This is when the sun was born, crafted from a colossal cloud of gas and dust. The immense pressure and heat at its core ignited nuclear fusion, and thus, our sun began to shine brightly, marking the start of its main sequence phase, output. As time relentlessly marched forward, the sun continued to burn hydrogen in its core, producing helium and releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This process has fueled life on Earth for billions of years and will continue to do so for about 5 billion more years. With each passing second, the sun converts around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, slowly but surely depleting its nuclear fuel. About 5 billion years from now, the sun will have exhausted its hydrogen fuel. Its core will contract under the force of gravity, but its outer layers will expand. Our sun will grow into a red giant, a star that has exhausted the hydrogen at its core and started to burn helium. The sun's outer envelope will expand and engulf the inner planets, including, quite possibly, Earth. Over the course of the next few 100 million years, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a hot core. This core will cool and fade over billions of years, leaving a white dwarf, a faintly glowing ember that was once a bright and vibrant star. The sun's transformation into a red giant and then into a white dwarf marks the end of its active life. But even then, it continues to exist, albeit in a diminished form. The white dwarf will cool and fade over billions of years, ultimately becoming a black dwarf, a cold, dark remnant of a star. To recap, the sun's lifespan extends over 10 billion years. It was born 4.6 billion years ago and has about 5 billion years left in its main sequence phase. After exhausting its hydrogen fuel, it will expand into a red giant, possibly engulfing the Earth. It will then shed its outer layers and reduce to a white dwarf, which will eventually cool and fade into a black dwarf. While this cosmic timeline may seem overwhelming, it offers a humbling perspective on our place in the universe. The sun, our life-giving star, has a beginning and an end, much like everything else in the cosmos. Yet its lifespan is so vast that it comfortably accommodates the eons of geological time and the fleeting span of human history. It's a testament to the grandeur and intricacy of the universe we inhabit. The sun's transformation may be billions of years away, but it is a stark reminder of the transience of life, even on a cosmic scale. It underscores the importance of cherishing the precious time we have under the sun's nurturing light and warmth. So the next time you feel the sun's rays on your face, remember the extraordinary journey it has undertaken and the incredible transformation it will undergo in the distant future.